going to eat it all. Ice cream? The ice cream is mine! Get out of my way! I got you! Mommy, Daddy! Thank you so much, friends! We caught Thief Baby Shark thanks to you!
Pink Fong! Pink Fong!
Oh?
Pink Fong, there are some strange things floating in the ocean here. Come, check it out!
Okay, I'll go right now! Huh? What's all this?
I think Thief Grandpa's shark is hiding here somewhere. Pink Fong friend, please take a good look.
Okay, we will! Have you ever seen Beep Shark, striped tail? Beep Shark. Have you ever seen Beep Shark, striped tail? Shark. Wait! Someone dumped trash on the beach and it ended up here. You shouldn't throw trash anywhere. Let's pick it up. I don't think... Thief Grandpa Shark is here! Let's move carefully. Let's catch on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. I got you! Thief Grandpa Shark has been caught!
Oh, I say, leave me alone! Is this because I stole a few things? There wasn't even much to steal. Why are you doing this? Open this door! Let us go!
You tried to take our precious belongings! You deserve this punishment!
Yes, you bad Beef Shark family!
I'm going to lock you in a stronger jail cell so you can't escape again!
Thank you, Police Pink Fong. Yes, thank you, Pink Fong. Thanks to you, we got all our stuff back.
No problem! I was just doing my job! Huh? What? Thief Pink Fong? Catch the Thief Pink Fong! Hi, friend! If you're sick, we'll make you strong again! This is the Baby Shark Hospital! Let's work together today to help some sick friends feel better! Oh? I wonder who came to the hospital today? It's predator friends! I'm scared, but they all look like they need help. Everyone, please come inside the hospital.
First patient flying. Please come in.
Where are you hurting? What brings you here?
I fought with Tiger and now I'm hurt.
You have a big wound on your head.
Owie, owie, throb, throb, it hurts so much.
I'll make you better quickly. Friends, will you help me and the nurse again today?
What? My amazing face and mane are a big mess.
You'll get better soon once we treat the wound. Let's wipe your face first. I'm so happy you're all better. From now on, don't fight with your friends. You need to get along. Where are you hurting? What did you hear?
I hurt my tail while I was fishing.
Police, Ping Pong is here. What's the problem?
There were thieves here. All my money is gone.
My golden pearls are all gone.
My books are gone.
My food, too.
And my toys. All my toys are gone. I'm sure this was done by the Thief Shark family.
Thief Shark family?
Yes, the Thief Shark family escaped from jail last night. The Thief Shark family members are the worst villains in the sea. We must catch and put them in jail. The Thief Shark family looks like this.
They look a little similar to our family, don't they?
Nonsense. The colors are similar, but they seem very mean.
You're right, and they have stripes like this. We need to remember that in order to find them. Friends, why don't you come and catch the Thief Shark family with me? Bad Thief Sharks! I don't know where you're hiding, but I'm going to catch you. Friends, let's find Thief Mommy Shark first. Remember, she has pink and black stripes. Have you ever seen Thief Shark striped? Thief Shark. Have you ever seen Thief Shark striped tail? Shark. Thief Shark, catch her!
Oh, Ping Pong. It's me, Mommy Shark. I'm looking for Thief Mommy Shark too. Let's look together again.
It was the real Mommy Shark. I'm sorry. Let's try again. Where is Thief Mommy Shark? Oh, here she is. Freeze, Thief Mommy Shark!
Oh no, I've been caught. Please let me go. I won't do it again. I'll return all the money I stole. I don't like being in jail.
Friends, I hear Thief Daddy Shark shows up here often. Let's take a good look together. Remember, he has blue and black stripes. Have you ever seen Thief Shark striped tail? Thief Shark. Have you ever seen Thief Shark striped tail? Thief Shark. I'll take a look with a telescope. Is he here? I only see striped fish here. What about over there? Whale, octopus, and a dolphin. I don't see Thief Daddy Shark here either. I don't think Thief Daddy Shark is here. Let's look somewhere else. Huh? You see Thief Daddy Shark? Oh, that's a lie.